All right, been waiting to do this for a while. I have things set up the way I want them finally. Lights, microphones, background. Dig the background, by the way? Just my computer screens. I just needed something back there. Today's tech review is going to be cool tech under $40, which is this little guy. Camrola built-in rechargeable lithium battery phone holder that turns all by itself. It's got a little camera. The reason I like this one is because there's no app. You have to download nothing on your phone to get this to work. So that means older people can do it. In fact, my mother's probably going to get this one so she can figure it out. Very simple. I'll run through it, show you what it's like. If you get a kick out of it, you want to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description below. You can check it out. And let's get this one underway. All right, what comes in the box is the stand, little stand that it rotates on, the device itself, and a charging cord. To hook this all together, all you gotta do is screw the device to the base, push the button. The camera on the front of the device is actually what tracks you. That's why no app is needed. And as far as the phone holder goes, it does rotate 180 degrees. You can put it any direction you want. I put a GoPro in there. As for this one here, this is just me doing a little goofy stuff back and forth between the desk and the toolbox with the GoPro in there. And it seemed to work flawlessly. Followed me everywhere I needed to go. This kind of shows you, it's kind of a little jerky when you first start off, but when you're actually filming and you're moving around, it does move pretty slow and doesn't lose you. Okay, some of the specs. Rotation angle is 360 degrees, obviously spins all the way around. Tracking is 1 meter. I've noticed that if you stay 3 feet away, it tracks pretty good. Even if it doesn't track your face, it still tracks your body. So that's pretty cool. It's got a 2200 milliamp hour battery. Battery life is 6 to 8 hours when fully charged, and charged with a USB Type-C. That'll do it for cheap tech under $40. So remember, this is down in the description below. Helps the channel out if you want to check it out. Don't forget to hit that like button. Give it a smash if that's something you're into. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.